Welcome to Reed's Dream Builds. This is my current project. It's a 2002 Camaro SS SLP. Got this one as a roller. I put a LS3 in it with Gromm ported heads. BTR stage 4 cam. Has a Mcloud RXT twin disc clutch. T56 Magnum F. Moser 12 bolt. It's got C6 Z06 Spyder rims on it. I'll go into a more depth video later on that. Let's hear it fire up. Cold start. Still on the startup tune. Still needs to get dynoed. There's a lot of air going into it right now. Still on the startup tune. And I do have a Cyclops style center mount exhaust I'm going to be putting on it. So these will not be the tip staying. Sounds pretty good going through a stock catback.